The following message is a coordinated test of the broadcast stations in your area. This is a required monthly test of the emergency alert system, equipment that is meant to keep you safe in an emergency situation. But of course we all know you wouldn't listen anyway. Besides, what are you doing up at 3:30 in the morning anyway? Don't you have school, or a job, or a life? Do you enjoy being a useless member of society? No job, no friends, no bitches, no life, no aspirations, nothing. Truly just a waste of space. Also, why are you dressed like that? You are one ragged ass motherfucker. Looks like you got your clothes out of the dumpster out back of the station. Get to sleep. Here's hoping you actually wake up, fat ass.